Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here then hello, my name is Emily. I do cruelty-free tutorials and reviews and stuff like that. As you can see, changed my hair a bit. I now have half and half hair, which is kind of cute. So yeah, I've been gone a while. I'm not going to address it because, you know, by now mental health, physical health, all health, just a bit of a struggle. So we're going to move past it. We're going to do some makeup. The gorgeous MAKEMEUPMISSA drew me a makeup look to do, which is fabulous, and let me get it up. I'll put it on the screen now so you can see it properly. So yeah, she drew this makeup look because I saw this trend going around on TikTok, I think it was, of my friend draws me a makeup look. So yeah, here's the makeup look that she drew for me, and this video is basically just me recreating it. So I hope you enjoy. If you do, make sure you give it a like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. I'll be doing more of these videos with other friends who have also drawn makeup looks. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and without further ado, let's get on to this makeup look, which is hopefully similar to the, you know, the drawing. So this is the look I'm going to be recreating that Missa drew for me. It's basically a colourful blended crease with a pink cut crease, kind of double cut crease liner, shimmery lid, really cut out. It's gonna look cute. So yeah, I'm gonna use pretty much all new products. I'm using my ABH palettes, these new Sheen liners that I have that are really cool. They're like water activated. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I've already primed my eyes with my PLouise base. As always, I'm going to go into my Norvina Volume 3, a new shade E4. And I'm just going to start packing this through the front bit of my crease. How many colours are there? There's quite a few colours, so I'm just going to do this on the very front section. Same palette, I'm going to go in with A5, which is this bright orange colour, and just kind of lay it on top and next to the yellow. Pigmented. I've never used these ABH Norvina palettes before, but they're actually like incredible quality. So I'm just getting the colour down first, and then I'll go in again and blend. I'm just kind of like placing my colours so I know like how far to bring each one. The pink, I'm going to go in with A5 from the Norvina Volume 1, which is this gorgeous neon pink, and again just place this through my crease. Look at the pigment on these shadows, it's honestly just insane. And then shade A3 for the purple. I'm not even trying to blend these shades together yet, but they're already blending together so seamlessly and beautifully. It's a bit ridiculous. Look at that. Look at that blend. I got this on half price offer from Feel Unique. I did not pay full price for these. I would never. So that's how I have these, by the way. I'm not just rich, I promise. The next colour is a blue, so I've decided to go with this one from the Dream with a Vision palette from Makeup Obsession. And I'm just going to take this next to the purple. I'm going to be like cutting the crease in a full cut crease later, so it doesn't matter if you bring it down too far. Next is black. So I'm going to go in with D5 from the ABH palette on this brush, and I'm going to use the black right on the outer corner and then start to like flick it out a bit. I'm just using like really light pressure, like I'm holding the brush right at the end and just doing little circular motions right on this bit here, and then just flicking the black out. And again, it doesn't matter if you get fallout because we're always doing eyes first on this channel because I am messy. So yeah, I've got the kind of basic shape going on, the basic colours. I'm gonna go and bring the other eye up to the same point, and then we'll get on to like blending. Okay, so now I've got the other eye done, I'm going to go in and start blending all of these colours. I'm just going to use this kind of shadow switch sponge thing. It's basically just a piece of sponge in a tin, and it removes the majority of the colour. See? So I'm just going to do that on all the different brushes, and then just use that brush to blend up the shadows. And for the dark black, I'm actually just going to use a clean brush, and I'm just going to start doing tiny little circles just to blend upwards. As you can see, it's starting to create a gradient, and just keep going into the shadow switch again to clean off the brush so it doesn't get muddy. And then I'm going to go back in with the brush I used for the blue and do the same kind of thing, and just keep doing this until it's nicely blended. And then I'm just going to go in with a clean brush with a tiny bit of white eyeshadow, and I'm just going to go over the very edges with the white shade just to blur the edges. This is basically how all of your favourite, you know, makeup artists do the makeup. They just cut all of this out so it seems like they get a really perfect blend in like a couple of seconds, but in actual fact they're doing this exact process of going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. They just cut it all out, and it's probably why, if you're sat there thinking why your blend isn't like the same as everyone else's, it's probably because you're not sitting down and doing this for absolute hours. And then just add more of the colours that have diminished a bit. So I'm just going to add a bit more of the blue, and then again blend it. Right, so in the picture they have a full cut crease, so I'm just going to go in with this tiny little brush and a bit of makeup remover and kind of clean up the cut crease like on this side. I just find it makes it easier to cut the crease properly. Okay, so the next part of the look, I'm going to go in with this water activated eyeliner. This is from Sheen Cosmetics in the shade Polka Dot. It's a pink colour, and as I said, it's water activated, so I'm just going to spritz it with a bit of water. I didn't film any of that, but I'm using this liner from Sheen Cosmetics as a water activated eyeliner. It's this baby pink kind of colour, and I'm just using this for the cut crease area. And as I was saying, I can't really talk or breathe or do much else whilst I'm doing this, so yeah, these are by Sheen Cosmetics. They are so pretty, as you can see. This is the one in Polka Dot. They have pastel liners, which are these ones, or they have like bright neon ones. I decided to go for the pastels because they're kind of cool, aren't they? Okay, so I finished my other eye off camera, as you can see, and I did the pink liner and I blended everything out again. So yeah, I had a mini meltdown because she said to do this blue bit as like a carved out thing, and I did, and it just looked horrible. So I've slightly adjusted the design and made it slightly blend into the black. So yeah, it's not quite exactly the design. I'm sorry, Missa. I don't know what to tell you. I apologise, but it just looked horrible on me, so moving forward. So I'm going to cut out my crease on this eye with my PLouise Basic Brights in Banging Blue. And then with a little brush, I'm just going to go in with black and fill in all of the outer area. We can clean all this up later and make it sharper, but just be careful not to go into the pink, obviously. And then I'm going to use the Dream with Vision palette again, and I'm going to use the shimmer colour, which is called Silver Lining. It's just a nice sparkly shimmery blue, and I'm just going to set the front of the lid using this. And then for the glitter, I'm just going to use some ABH Glitter Adhesive and then the ABH Glitter in Frosted, which is kind of like a blue toned glitter. I love glitter so much. I used to use a lot more glitter when I used to do more looks with Aloha Glitz, but they're not a company anymore, I don't think. So yeah, they're where most of my glitters are from, so I don't really want to use products from a company that don't exist anymore, you know. I actually really like this look now, it's all starting to come together. Put a nice pair of lashes on and finish off my base makeup. So I'm gonna put a pair of lashes on and finish off my base makeup. I'm gonna use a pair of lashes from this lash book I got from Daxie Beauty. I bought this myself. These are some incredible faux mink, cruelty-free, vegan lashes, and I picked out these ones. These are the ones I liked. I also have more on my shelf, but I'm going to pick one of these styles. I might go for Jazz or Aria. But yeah, I'm just going to clean up my fallout and apply a pair of lashes, do my face, makeup, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. Okay, so I've pretty much finished my face and my eyes. I'm just going to apply some lashes. These are the Daxie Beauty lashes in Poly. Yes, I've lost a nail. I'm going to glue it on in a minute. But yeah, I really like the eyes. Now I've got like my entire base on, I think it looks really cool. Like, they look so cool. As you can see, nice and cleaned up and looks much better. So yeah, I'm going to put these lashes on. Okay, so this is the finished look with the lashes on. I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed with it, and I really hope I can get some good pictures of it so I can always remember how cute it looks. Because, I mean, the quality of these ABH eyeshadows are just incredible. But also just the colours together with like the cut crease. Ah, I love it. I love it so much. So yeah, thank you so much Missa for drawing me a makeup look. If you want to see more of these videos, I am putting up more people draw me makeup looks in the future. I'm also doing some hauls soon. I have a decent amount of clothing to haul to you. But yeah, if you'd like to see any more of anything on my channel, make sure you subscribe down below. Leave me a comment on any videos you would like to see, makeup looks, reviews, anything. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!